The GABRYLLY Ergo Mesh office chair features an adjustable sliding seat that helps users of different heights find the perfect depth for optimal back support and reduced leg pressure. With its adjustable flip-up armrests, this chair can be conveniently tucked under a desk, making it an excellent space-saving solution. The chair boasts a large mesh seat and back, with dimensions that can accommodate users up to 5 feet 9 inches tall and support up to 400 pounds. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the chair offers adjustable headrest height and angle, along with mesh material that promotes natural spine alignment and breathability for long sitting sessions. Assembly is straightforward, taking approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and the chair includes silent polyurethane wheels that protect floors while adding a modern aesthetic. The GABRYLLY Ergo Mesh office chair also comes with a 2-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind and support for any issues that may arise.